Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2018 Silverado 2500HD. This pickup truck pulls unlike any other. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, traction control, steering wheel audio controls, air conditioning, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, floor mats. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.